I know very well that your server is like this. And it's quite sad. Nobody is chatting and it's dead. And you want your server to be like this. Super active. And this won't be just a dream because I will show you some effective and easy ways on how to make your server active again. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Back to the topic. The first method is, as the owner, you need to be active in your server. You need to talk to members and be friendly. And I am sure your members would love you too. I want you to be a leader here, not a boss. Make your members feel loved and belonged. The second method is, you can host events like Shape Incorporated server is doing. It's a cool method. You can host competitions and Nitro giveaways. The third is not really a method but a tip. Don't create a separate welcome channel in your server. Instead, add welcome messages in general chat channel. Make sure to add welcome or ping role. Let all your members see new members joining your server. They will welcome them. The fourth is, set up rewards for the active members. You can gift them roles with extra perms or artwork or Nitro if you can afford it. In fifth method, you need to create some cool channels like question of the day or positivity. Your members need motivation to be active in your server. For the sixth, do not enable slow mode in general chat. Your members hate it. No need to give them bad experience. The last tip is, please never ever ping members to be active. Don't use revive ping. It's too dumb. Your members would just leave the server. So that is it for today's video all. I am so tired right now. Please let me know which is your favorite method in the comment section. And if you like the video, hit like and subscribe.